Let us learn page 8 to 9. 2. There are a few words related to sound in the text. Pick the words from the text and write them next to the correct definition. Answer. Here are the words from the text matched with their corresponding definitions. 1. Made a high-pitched piercing sound, shrieked. 2. To cause liquid to strike or fall on something, splashed. 3. A low continuous background noise, murmuring. 4. Cry with loud uncontrollable gasps, wailed. 5. To make a soft dry sound, like paper or leaves moving, rustle. 6. Took a short quick breath through the mouth due to surprise, pain or shock, gasped. 7. Shaking rapidly to make continuous short, sharp sounds, rattling. 8. Making a lot of noise, clamor. Note: this word is not explicitly in the text but is often used to describe loud noise. 9. Made a long, high cry, usually because of pain or sadness, wailed. This can also apply to the sound of a shriek depending on context.